Good evening, I'm Aletya Putya Deacon Me with your latest atmospheric horror show, and yet again, the sky above the United Kingdom appears to be having a complete and utter nervous breakdown. Now, many of you blind bastards will have noticed over the last few days, we've had a little bit of everything. Sunshine, rain, wind, humidity, freezing cold air, then boiling heat, a permanent grey haze, bright white skies, then back to sunshine again for roughly 6 fucking minutes before another layer of streaky cloud drifts across like somebody's trying to wipe the evidence off the planet with a damp sock. But don't worry, the government priests say it's completely normal. Temperatures tomorrow are climbing into the low 20s across parts of England, though it'll feel noticeably warmer beneath prolonged sunny spells, assuming, of course, you actually manage to see the sun through that strange, milky film that's been hanging over the country lately, like the entire troposphere has been clear-coated. Now, the main thing the mainstream media talking heads are currently screaming about is this so-called Super El Niño event. Every corporate weather presenter is spitting that word out with the religious intensity of somebody announcing the second coming of Christ. Super El Niño, not normal El Niño, not standard issue, Super El Niño. They've branded this thing like a monster truck rally energy drink to keep you permanently terrified. And according to the glowing red touchscreens on the BBC, this giant puddle of warm water in the Pacific is now magically responsible for literally every single atmospheric event in the Northern Hemisphere. Did it chuck it down during your barbecue? El Niño. Did your lawn turn brown? El Niño. Did a gust of wind blow a stray crisp packet into your face outside the Asda? That'll be the fucking ultra-turbo ocean current teleconnection, mate. They use it like a geological get-out-of-jail-free card. It's the scientific equivalent of the dog ate my homework, except the dog is 5,000 miles away and apparently controls the humidity in Cheshire. Don't get me wrong, ocean temperatures affect weather patterns. It's basic meteorology. But what I find hilarious is the way these institutional morons discuss all this, like the atmosphere and oceans are these untouched, pristine natural systems that mankind has never touched. Meanwhile, in the real world, there's billions poured into marine cloud brightening, spraying reflective sulfur into the stratosphere and messing with oceanic reflectivity. They're out there treating the Earth's climate like a bloke named Gary trying to fix a complex piece of industrial machinery after half a Stella and 40 seconds of a YouTube tutorial. He's got spare parts scattered across the lawn, he's kicked the side of the drum, and then 6 months later he stands there looking utterly bewildered, going, "Well, goodness me, why is it making a high-pitched screaming noise and leaking grey sludge into the kitchen?" "I don't know, Gary. Maybe stop hitting the motherboard with a hammer." Tomorrow morning, you'll wake up, look out the window, and you won't see a cloud. You won't see blue sky either. You'll see that familiar, dead, chalky white film. The officials tell you it's perfectly natural high-altitude cirrus haze. Natural? The sky literally looks like a builder named Dave just spent 3 hours aggressively sanding down a fresh layer of plasterboard directly into the air supply. The stratosphere looks like it's been clear-coated with matte emulsion. But remember, lads, don't look at the sky, just look at your tax bill, because it's your 1.4-litre hatchback causing the milky ceiling. By the afternoon, conditions turn into a complete circus. Heavy showers developing in western areas, strong winds pushing across northern regions, then sudden bursts of heat appearing completely out of nowhere before vanishing 15 minutes later. It's less a weather system now and more a fucking lucky dip. You leave the house in sunglasses and you come home looking like you've crossed the Atlantic on a bamboo raft. And have you noticed the forecasts don't even use meteorological terms anymore? It's just psychological warfare vocabulary. They don't say, "It's going to be warm tomorrow." They scream, "Danger to life," "Unprecedented apocalypse," and "The sun is coming to extinct your bloodline." The map on the screen is a deep, pulsating, radioactive crimson. It looks like Satan's ring light. The presenter is looking at you with the dead-eyed panic of a hostage victim, practically implying that if you step outside without a hazmat suit, you'll be reduced to a pile of ash, like a vampire at dawn. It's 23 degrees, Rachel. It's literally room temperature. Calm the fuck down, you absolute drama queen. I've seen hotter tap water. So there you have it, folks. I've been Aletya Put Your Deek in Me, and that was your weather. Given the usual shit show of censorship, it goes without saying, if you watched it and you liked it, please share it so others can enjoy it as well. And don't forget to check out Liam Stoneley, anywhere he's not banned from. Bye for now.